innovation, once a key to growth and development, now is a buzzword for survival and sustenance. Today, organizations that accept innovation as a way of life are successful corporates of the future. Innovation and R&D in the chemical industries happens through laboratory experiments and pilot plant studies. In effect, pilot plant is the vital link between research in the laboratory and development on the commercial scale.
The word Xytel is synonymous with pilot plant. Xytel is a premier pilot plant company involved in the design and manufacture of pilot plants.
Xytel and the chemical world have both benefited from each other due to the growth of the innovation culture. Xytel India, an Indian arm of the US-based Xytel Inc., is on the threshold of a new horizon, with the Indian chemical industry reinventing itself under the Make in India initiative. Pilot plants are a mini working configuration of the main plant, which help a researcher to understand the chemical process, leading to a better design and operation of the main plant. Most refineries build a replica of their existing main plant to operate their refinery better. These pilot plants help them to avoid expensive and sometimes even risky experimentation with their main plant. For modification or choice of a new catalyst or change of operating parameters, everything can be perfected on a pilot scale before it is implemented on the main plant with a certain degree of confidence. Established in the early 90s, Xytel India has over 25 years of experience in the design and manufacturing of pilot plants, modular fabricated units, laboratory-sized micro-reactor units, process demonstration units and commercial mini plants. By efficiently adapting the customer's process technology with their engineering expertise, Xytel has helped customers achieve their R&D success stories. Located in the industrial area of Bhosri, Pune, Xytel India has its state-of-art manufacturing facility and design office located in a single location for seamless integration between the design and manufacturing teams. In the last 25 years, Xytel India has successfully completed over 150 projects for customers in the area of refinery, petrochemicals and polymers, fine chemicals, pharmaceutical, alternative energy and educational institutes. Designing of pilot plants is as complex as designing of the commercial plants. The design has to accommodate suitable hardware in smaller sizes. With its network of similarly passionate vendors, Xytel India has developed multiple hardware essential for pilot plant design. The first step in a pilot plant design is to complete the front-end engineering, which results in a basic idea gaining more clarity. At this stage, we are able to identify and define all equipment and instruments needed for the project. We also know the footprint, control system details, utility and raw material requirements. The next step is to complete detailed engineering and procurement. The process engineers interact closely with the mechanical and instrument engineers to develop the detailed design. Simultaneously, automation and control system of the pilot plant is designed. With customized automation, Xytel provides cohesive solutions that range from manual to fully automated. With a range of control platforms that include DCS, PLC and HMI or Operator Interface Programming. The key is to interact with the customer at every stage. Vital design inputs and operation requirements are well addressed with repeated customer interaction at every stage of design and manufacture. For the larger pilot plants, modular units and mini plants, we make a 3D model for better visualization. This also helps interdisciplinary understanding and better planning of procurement and construction. Safety is always at the forefront in our pilot plant design. HAZOP studies and area classification studies are carried out as per the needs of the project to ensure that the design is safe and reliable. With superior fabrication and assembly techniques, the pilot plant starts taking shape at Xytel's in-house facility. Various equipments are installed, instruments are mounted, tubing, piping and cable trays are laid out. Xytel's well-trained technicians accomplish fast and safe construction of the pilot plant, ensuring stage-wise quality checks which are meticulously carried out. Rigorous internal tests are conducted and a final testing, popularly known as the Factory Acceptance Test or FAT, is performed in the presence of the customer. The fully tested pilot plant is then dismantled for ease of transportation. It is then safely packed and dispatched to the customer site. Once the customer site is ready, Xytel's technicians and engineers reinstall the pilot plant, hook it up with utilities, feed lines, and make it ready for commissioning. Our engineers also assist the customer in process commissioning. It is our endeavor to deliver a product that is state-of-the-art and fulfilling all the requirements of the customer. To this end, we remain connected to the customer throughout the life cycle of the pilot plant. The key to achieving all this is the young, brilliant and hard-working team of Xytel. A culture of openness and out-of-the-box thinking prevails across this organization, giving its employees a sense of belonging and achievement.
We don't intend to sit back and enjoy the laurels that we have won. Our vision is to sustain this momentum and deliver a better future for our company, for our industry, and indeed for the entire mankind.